My name is Pamela Skaufel. I am the Vice President for Procurement, or the Chief Procurement Officer for ExxonMobil. One of the parts of the procurement journey is, doing really, really good strategic sourcing. But in fact, sourcing is just a series of events that happens over time, and you need to have an umbrella over that, which is really the category management process. So I actually truly believe that category management is a way to unlock even more value in your system, because it takes all those sourcing events in a more strategic type concept, and it allows you to use a system or a process to think about, one, your category strategy, two, do you understand, your ongoing markets, three, how you're going to go to market, and then four, do you really understand or realize the value that you've created or not, and then you start the circle again. And as we said, strategic sourcing is just one component of an entire category management process. Technology, as we know, is here to stay. I think the most important thing is just, if you are introducing a new product or a service into your procurement organization, is one, be curious and understand the value, as quick as you can. Don't be afraid to, test and experiment and deploy it as quickly as you can. And then make sure that you're spending time then going back around, doing potentially more change management and understanding, is the system working the way you had intended it to? Is the technology working the way you intended to? Are you feeding back the things that do not work so that you can be better the next time going around? But, personally, I struggle with people in my organization who want to spend a lot of time really understanding up front how it's going to be deployed, what are all the change management considerations, and then, we spend less time going out and using it in the market, when really I'd like to make sure that we have a better balance of both change management and learning on the job, or learning as you go out and do it. I think Keelvar can help with really helping us understand what are the practical applications to get people comfortable much faster, giving true examples from other customers on how you deployed as well, and then let us manage some of the internal complexities of the size and scale, because the more examples that we can get from you and from other partners that have used this technology, the more that we can scale, right? So today we have 13 Keelvar projects in our pipeline of what we're trying to do. They crisscross a range of different categories, and then I want to use those people who are, experimenting with those, markets to then come back and be the advocates or change leads to then go further into the categories, with Keelvar again. So I'm hoping it's going to be successful. I'm excited about the journey, and more to come.